Hello and welcome back to another day of Nextdoor Automation, where I review daily tips and tricks to help business owners to get more leads on Nextdoor. My name is Eric and I own a Nextdoor Automation agency. So today I'm going to cover a an easy question, and I think people or everyone should know about this, but I think a lot of people are still confused or maybe did not even bother considering the difference. So what is the difference between Nextdoor personal profile and business page? So I should say page because that's the name. So I will go through different questions, and to start with, the first one is, can I have a personal and a business Nextdoor account? So yes, actually it's one same account when you log in, and under that account that is dedicated to you, personalized, your name, first name and family name, then you can create your by default personal profile, and you can create an additional business profile. So it's feasible, it's easy, anybody can do it, and I'll show you the details with some examples. So the next question is, what is a business page on Nextdoor? So first, a business page is a page that looks like this. In the URL you have pages. So you know that's a page because the URL contains the word pages, opposed to the personal profile, which contains profile. So in the business page you have information about the company, the address, physical address, the opening times, the email address, the website, the phone number. You have some recommendations that you should collect from your customers. You have a section with pictures. I recommend you to put some good quality pictures that illustrate your job, and this is quite good here, and there are many, so that's also good. You have a section, it's like a bio, it's our story, called Our Story. Is a nice description. You can remind email address, website, and telephone number. You could. That's very good. You have again the website that is duplicated here, and you have all the activities. So all the past posts that have been done through or by this business profile. My recommendation overall is to make one at a minimum, on average, one post a month. So 12 posts in total if you are serious about promoting your company. So you should be updated this section once a month. So when people are visiting your business page, that's how that happens. They will see then history about your past posts. So what to post here? I would recommend to do some visual, either videos or picture before and after, things to illustrate your successes in making happy customers. You could also ask customers to put some testimonies, or even if you lack testimonies or your customers are not on Nextdoor, if you're collecting testimonies from other places such as Yelp or Google or Facebook, you should copy paste and put them here so that your business page is also live here. So how people visit your business page? First, by the post that you do at least once, or average once a month, and also when people are asking for recommendations. Like for this example, this one was looking for somebody to do car detailing, and a person recommended this company. When somebody is recommending your business, it appears here, and it helps the people who see that post to click here and visit your business profile. So that's why it's important to have it done properly. all the fields filled in so that it looks professional and people you will raise trust in your company. So that way you will gain more leads in the future. Don't forget also to ask your former customers and friends and family to add you as fav. I made a video the other day about how to get recommendations, but also how to get favorites. There was a contest declaration. The success of the contest was done this week. So, and again here you can put a banner picture that looks illustrates your activity, your storefront and everything. So let's go back to my questions. The next one is, what is a personal profile? So the personal profile I detailed here is the one that has the URL profile. That's what is created by default when you log into Nextdoor. And that's where I suggest you to do post daily over there. You post from your personal profile on a daily basis, but you also create a group. And it's in that group, that topical group, that you will be posting everything. So in the case of car detailing, you say you create a group that's called car fanatics or car fans, and you post everything from your personal profile in that group. I strongly suggest you, and that will create what I call a Nextdoor online conversion funnel. Because when people follow you or wants to know more about your post, they will join the group. When they join the group, you're entitled to send them a welcome message and add a promo code or visit my website or try to catch their email on a squeeze page or landing page. That's how you grow your business and get more leads. So I strongly suggest you to fill in here your bio also, as this gentleman did very well on his personal profile. I would also suggest you to put a nice banner picture. Why leave it blank? That's too bad. And you see he has added as one of his favorite, actually the only one, this probably his company or the company is working at, I don't know. So that's very good. And then he has made some posts, and as you see, he's posting 7 hours ago something about his activity. That's very good. And 2 days ago he was posting some awareness message. So be careful, a bear is in the neighborhood. So you should not, from your personal profile, you should not do only post about this, your activity. You only should do once a week, post every day, but once a week make a commercial message about your activity. The rest of the time you post in your group, share things helpful for people, and also you should bring value. So secret tips and tricks about how to maintain your car clean, what things, chemicals to avoid when you want to clean your leather interior so that it does not go wasted, how to best protect from UV ray lights your interior. So I'm not in that industry, so I have no idea, but this gentleman should definitely bring value to the neighborhood by sharing tips and tricks or sharing his mood or successes, and do once a week maximum this type of post, which is commercial intent publications. So I would say 3rd of September, 23rd of September. So that's good. There's time in between, but what is missing is more value to the community in between. So when people see that, it's not only advertisement. So let me go back to the next question. So I've given you the information about what is a business page, what is a personal profile, and how to use them best. So now let me go to the next question. Does it cost money to have a business page on Nextdoor? No, it's free as of today. You never know what's going to happen in the future, but it's free. You can create your business page. So you go to your profile, you click here. Is it working? And you can add a business page. You click here, add a business page, and you will have the form to fill in and fill all the forms, all my recommendations, add all the pictures required, everything that you should be filling in order to bring to make a nice page, but also bring trust. Show your face. People like to see faces. If you're shy, don't have to be your face, maybe your employees, but if you're a business owner anyway, people will see your face at the end of the day if they contract you, so most probably. So put friendly faces with smile, and that's the way to go. So it's free. Go ahead, create yours. Can you have multiple business pages on Nextdoor? The answer is yes. I think I've read, and I will probably put in the comment or in the description of that video the exact link. But I think you can create up to 10 business pages. So if you have more than one business business to promote, you can create more. I will definitely put the link and for you to check what's the limit, but definitely more than one. So and if you want to become a let's say social media manager on Nextdoor, and I made a video that I'll link here for you to watch if you want to create some side hustles. The last side hustle that I recommended to start on Nextdoor is a social media manager on Nextdoor. You can watch that video and you can, for example, contact different business owners who do not have the time to do their activities on Nextdoor. And by the way, I'm here to help you if you need some help in managing your business account and all your social activity on Nextdoor. I do that with automation, so hit me up. I will help you. There's no problem. And I can manage multiple business accounts, whether you have created it already or if you want to create a new one, I'll do that for you. So feel free to contact me. Contact details in the post in the video descriptions. So the next question is, who see my business post on Nextdoor? Good news, everyone, the same as the personal post or the business post, everyone will see it for as long as they are connected at the right time, because once you post and people post after you, then your post will go down in history and in the news feed. After a while, you will not be shown anymore unless people interact with your post, bring some comments or like the post or repost. So everyone will see it within your neighborhood. So that's the good news. That's why Nextdoor is so convenient and so efficient in for local businesses. So you should do it, and remember the frequency. Don't make it too often, otherwise people get pissed or bored, and people may block you or hide your activity in the future. Now the next question is, how do I switch between business page and personal profile on Nextdoor? It's very simple. Once you have created, and I'm going to transfer me here to the side, once you have created your business page and your personal profile, you can switch from one. This is your personal profile. I recommend you to show your face, and on your business profile I recommend you to put your company logo or show your face again, does not matter. And you can switch by clicking on the top right hand side logo here, and it will show a drop down menu, and you can switch from personal profile to business profile. This is as simple as that. And you can also switch to the group, and remember I told you, post everything in your group to benefit of your conversion funnel on Nextdoor. That's the same way that you can switch to your group and post in your group. So now let me come back to the next question. And that's it. That was the last question. Before you leave, I'll give you a suggestion video just right here. That's my gift for you. All the tips and tricks that I have collected over the years and that I update every week with the latest information I've collected. And if you want to know my secrets about how to promote your events or the upcoming Halloween event for your business, so watch this video that I put here and I'll see you tomorrow for another video. Take care. Bye bye.